Boeing has officially announced the integration of Saab into the development of the MQ-28 Ghost Bat, an advanced unmanned aerial system designed for the Royal Australian Air Force. Through its Australian subsidiary, Saab will provide crucial components, including the TactiCall communication system and avionics parts from its Swedish operations. This partnership highlights Australia's growing technological capabilities in defense and the power of international collaboration. The MQ-28 Ghost Bat is a multirole combat drone developed by Boeing Australia, capable of operating alongside manned aircraft like the F-35A, F/18F and E-7A. Its mission range includes reconnaissance, surveillance and combat, with advanced artificial intelligence enabling autonomous operations. The drone's modular design allows for quick payload swaps, making it versatile for tasks such as electronic warfare and offensive support. At the heart of this system is Saab's TactiCall communication solution, which integrates various communication networks into one secure, user-friendly interface. This system enhances the drone's ability to share real-time information across multiple classification levels, ensuring seamless coordination with both manned and unmanned aircraft. Saab also provides key avionics components like electromechanical actuators and flight control systems, ensuring the Ghost Bat can perform complex, autonomous missions reliably and precisely. Since its maiden flight in 2021, the Ghost Bat program has made impressive progress, with Australia ordering 10 Block 1 units, followed by 3 upgraded Block 2 models. The U.S. Navy has also shown interest, sending a team to Australia to train and test the system. The Ghost Bat's range of over 3,700 kilometers and its subsonic flight capabilities ensure it can match the maneuverability of fighter jets, making it a formidable asset in any combat environment. This collaboration between Boeing and Saab demonstrates the growing importance of international partnerships in defense technology. The MQ-28 Ghost Bat is set to be a key player in modern military operations, and with the ongoing development of autonomous systems, it's clear that the future of defense technology is rapidly evolving. The integration of Saab's communication and avionics expertise into the Ghost Bat program positions Australia at the forefront of unmanned aerial systems, setting the stage for the next generation of military capabilities.